After you have strung your beads, tie an overhand knot. And pull it tight. Grab one end of the cord, make a knot, and pop it through the slit in the knot gripper tool. Then wrap it around a few times. And you'll want to do the same with the other end of the cord. When you're done, grab both ends and give it a really tight pull. Here's a quick tip: the closer you get your knot gripper tool to the main knot, the more leverage you get and the tighter your knot will be. Now go in and make another knot. This time I've done a surgeon's knot. Repeat the same steps with the knot gripper tool. With the tool held firmly in your hand, give it a really strong pull and pull it in multiple directions and angles. And that's all you have to do. Here's a beautiful completed wristlet that will not come apart or fall apart because you've got your really tight knot in there. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks so much for watching.